So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Arbitrum, ticker symbol ARB, on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right, press on Buy Crypto. In the search bar right here, type in ticker symbol ARB, then press on Arbitrum. On this page right here, type in the amount that you're looking to buy. So if I did $20 as an example, I will go ahead and proceed by pressing on the purple arrow. Once you're on this page right here, you can confirm the amount, the price, the fee, the total that you would be purchasing, as well as the payment method, in this case Apple Pay for me. And if all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom, press confirm to proceed that way if you want to. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Arbitrum, ticker symbol ARB, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.